Welcome back everybody to another review, and today we're looking at the Professional Ninja Blender, the 1100 watt. Now, why they call it professional is because when you think about going into a smoothie shop, wherever you are, or a restaurant, you think of a blender that can eat through that ice, eat through those frozen ingredients, and this is definitely the blender. Now, the blades are absolutely crazy, super sharp, so you have to be very careful of the blades on this. And this tall near portion just locks right into place right while you're going to use it. So that way you don't have to worry about the possibility, let me just get this the right way, the possibility of it coming off. Now, this top lid is a bit of a safety feature because it won't turn on until you actually lock this into place, and it's very, very secure. Now, I am going to show a demo of this in a few seconds, making a smoothie, and show you just how well it makes smoothies. But of course, I just want to show you, you do have this lid where if you're making a sauce, you can drizzle in olive oil or whatever else you want to do it. But the reason particularly why I bought this blender was not for the large capacity and powerfulness of this top blender portion, but was for the smoothie cups here. So you do get this side smoothie cup, which you can twist on like that and start to make a smoothie. Now I want to show you how well this actually makes smoothies just by giving you a little demo very quickly. So I like to take some mango chunks. I put some mango in there, just like this. And this is all frozen fruits. So we got some fresh frozen mango in there. Now we have some strawberry banana mixture. We go ahead and stick some of that in there. So all frozen once again. You'll see how easy this blender eats up this smoothie drink. Now this is my protein smoothie for the day, so I do put a little protein powder in there. But this step is optional based on you as the user. You know, do you need that extra protein? Do you not need it? Totally up to you. I'm trying to put on some weight, so I need it. And then we go ahead and take our juice. Now I'm just using a normal orange juice. You can use whatever flavor you think vibes well. So I fill it up to there. I just fill it just above the top of the fruits. And then I like to stick a little lemon juice to finish it off, just to give it an extra little zing. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this up. Now for the smoothie mode, it actually only has one button you can press, and this does lock into place. It's sealable, so you don't get any spill out of it. We go ahead and twist that on, and now you can see how secure it is. We press power. You can only pulse with this. What was that, about 15 seconds, not even? Now let's open this up, and if it's not thick enough, if it's too thin, then you might want to thicken it up, but we can see right here the consistency of this. Let me show that right up to the camera there. So very, very thick smoothie. Nice, exactly what you want out of it. And that's made with just the smoothie attachment of the Ninja blender. I cannot recommend this blender enough for smoothies, for sauces, for whatever else you want to use a blender for. This guy is super powerful and highly suggested.